What's going on YouTube? How you guys doing today? So today I'm here to unbox and review the Nike Acg Moc 3.0. Which one of you guys have these sneakers yet? They were just released January 2020 at the retail price between 80 and 100. Let's take a look at these sneakers. Let's see what it looks like. And if you don't have these sneakers yet, they come in a box that looks just like this. It says Acg Nike. Let's take a look at these things. I'll give you guys a 360 of these kicks real quick. Show you the bottom of the sneaker. Let me show you the top of the sneaker. First thing I know about these sneakers, guys, is that these sneakers are very lightweight, okay? Second thing I notice is that the midsole are very, very strong and very thick. On the heel part, it will give you a lot of height when you wear these sneakers. You know what I'm saying? You look taller when you wear these sneakers. These sneakers right here, they're meant to feel light on the feet. The material that it's made with is very, very soft. It feels good on the skin. All right. It's got a Nike check in front, Acg in the back, a tab to hold on to when you put on your shoe. The only negative thing I don't like about this sneaker is that it doesn't come with a tongue, right? The design is okay for me, but however the tongue, all right, there's no tongue here, all right? The fact that if you're walking around in these for like an hour or two, this will start digging into your ankle, okay? Although the material is soft, but the edge of the sneaker, where it's laying on top of your ankle, it's not so soft, right? It's gonna dig into your ankle after a while, because when you're walking, you're gonna be leaning into the sneaker, and this part will be leaning into your ankle, and your ankle will start hurting after a few hours. I couldn't see me wearing these sneakers for more than maybe 30 minutes. After that, my ankle would definitely be hurting. You gotta put a tongue on a shoe just to give you that comfort of not hurting your ankles. You understand what I'm saying? This sneaker right here is a no-no for me. These sneakers right here are not lit. These sneakers right here, it's a no-no, all right? I give it a 4 out of 10, all right? That's the worst score I've ever given any sneaker in this world. And I'll tell you what, you cannot wear sneakers that hurt your feet. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is, right? I'm done. I've not come to the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you're new at this channel, watching this video for the first time, please click that subscribe button, share my video, make a comment if you want. And if you're not subscribed yet to my channel, you're here for the first time watching this show, please click that like button, click that subscribe button. Feel free to make a comment. And until next time, maybe I might see you with these on. Maybe I might not. Who knows? One easy.